What's up, guys? This is another video. So today we're doing the 7 and the 1 train. That's the 7. We're probably gonna have that for a little bit. So anyway, guys, subscribe and like, and let's get on. And Dipper is making another guest appearance. Yeah, I'm just gonna go. Yeah. So anyways, guys, subscribe and like, and let's get on with this. And guys, I told you the 7 train is going back to local. This is bernent bilvabard. This is action bound 7 train. Next stop is Bernent Street. And there and here comes the other 7 train as a 1 train. So the 1 train, basically what I'm trying to say, the 1 train is the 7 train. It's coming in for the other 7 train. Covering. Bernent bilvabard. Queensbound 7 train. The next stop is Action Street Stinker. And also, guys, we have the express track right there, but I decided not to use any trains for express track because it's really just short. So, yep. Here's the other 7 train. Stand clear to close the doors, please. So there goes the 7 train going to Manhattan. Stand clear. I swear I did not mean to do that. Alright, let's just skip that part. That's what the 1 train gets. So anyways, guys, subscribe and like, and subscribe and like, and see you later. Bye!